By the end of your first section, you won't be guessing. You'll know which tools to open, how to handle simple tasks, and exactly where your work belongs. Bsbtec201 is about choosing the right software for the job, then keeping electronic information and data organized the way your workplace expects. In most cases, you'll be working with direct guidance and using everyday tools like Microsoft 365, Google Docs, or similar office software to complete simple tasks correctly. To be assessed as competent, you need to show you can use at least 3 different business software applications, and you need to do that on 2 separate occasions for each one. You'll also need to work safely, follow your organization's requirements, and deal with simple faults when they come up, like spotting a basic issue and taking the right next step. Before you start, get clear on what the task is for, who it's meant for, what format it needs to be in, and how it has to be presented. If any part of that is unclear, check with your supervisor, trainer, or the person who assigned it first, so you don't waste time doing it the wrong way. Choose the program that matches the job. If you're writing a letter, use a word processor. If you're working with figures, open a spreadsheet. If you're building a team update, use a presentation tool. Once you've picked the right application, open it the way your workplace requires, whether that's from the desktop, a shared system, or your organization's approved software menu. Before you begin, adjust your desk, chair, and equipment so you can work comfortably with your screen, keyboard, and seating set up to support the way you work. Then make sure the space is safe and ready, with everything in place and no obvious hazards, so you can start entering information without interruptions or avoidable mistakes. Now enter the information by typing it in or pasting it into the application. And make sure the layout, headings, dates, names, and file structure match your organization's required format. Once the information is in, read back through it and fix anything that's off, like a wrong date, a misspelled name, or a detail that doesn't match the original source. Then use the application's formatting tools to make the file easy to follow, with clear headings, consistent spacing, and a layout that's ready for the task you're completing. If something small slows you down, don't stop the whole task. Use the software's built-in help, prompts, or search tools to fix it quickly and keep your work moving. And when you spot a fault, handle it the way your organization requires. Correct what you're allowed to fix, report what needs escalation, and record it if that's part of your process. Save and name each file the way your organization requires, and put it in the right folder or system so you, or anyone else, can find it fast later. When you need to check something, start with your workplace procedures, the electronic files you're using, and the people around you, because those are your main sources of the right answer. Give the finished file one last check, make any final edits, then save it with the correct document name in the right folder or system. Once you know it's saved properly, close the application so the task is finished cleanly and you're ready for the next job. So when you start today, open your first assigned application and take 10 seconds to confirm what the task is meant to achieve before you touch anything. That's how you stop guessing and start your first week with purpose.